Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a professional organizer, and I have a confession. I used to have a terrible attitude about laundry. Ugh, I hated it. This is how I used to deal with laundry, and this is how I deal with laundry now. And let's talk about why laundry is so overwhelming. So, you've got your laundry, you have your spouse's laundry, you have your children's laundry. And can we talk about baby clothes? Oh my gosh, babies go through so much laundry every day. And don't forget about the towels and all of the linens that you have to wash. And let's be honest, maybe you've got some stuff stashed in your car and under the beds, and then your daughter comes home from college and she adds to the laundry situation. So no wonder you are overwhelmed and frustrated. So we're going to get you from here to here. So let's get started talking about how we can break the laundry cycle. Okay, first and foremost, sit down with yourself and get really honest. Why are you overwhelmed with the laundry? What mind traps are you falling into? Go back and review the overwhelm lesson. That may pull out some things for you. Are you dealing with perfectionism? Are you having a hard time letting go of the control of the laundry? If you're a mama, a lot of mamas do that. They want to do the laundry themselves because they want it to look a certain way, and they don't want their kids to do it because it's not going to be perfect. Is it procrastination? Are you just not doing it because of some of the procrastination issues you have? Do you maybe not want to do it out of resentment or spite because you feel like you're the only one doing it? So again, nobody can identify this for you except for yourself. So once you identify why you are overwhelmed with the laundry and it's not getting done, you're going to have an easier time moving forward. And which part of the laundry cycle do you have a hard time following through on? Washing, drying, folding, putting away, all the above? Well, if you do laundry every single day, you actually get really good at all of it, and it becomes so much easier. None of it is as big of a chore as it used to be. This is about the size of a normal load of laundry that I do every day. Pretty small, very manageable, especially when you fold it. Look at that, that is so easy. It takes me probably 5 minutes to put it all away. Here is a reenactment of what I used to do, and you may be doing this too. So I would wash, dry, fold, and not put away my clothes. And then I would just leave them and be like, I'll get it later. And then I would do it again with another pile of laundry, even a small pile, just kind of no big deal. I'm like, I'll just take care of it later. And then wash, dry, and pull out of the dryer and decide not to fold. And I'm like, well, it's just a small amount. I'm just going to pile it on. And then I would do it again. And then I would do it again. And then the load just gets bigger and the pile gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So it gets out of control. So something that would have taken me 5 minutes to take care of is now taking me more like 20, 30 minutes. And then when you add everybody else's stuff on there and days and sometimes weeks of not getting the laundry done ASAP, it's out of control. And then you just kind of throw your hands up in the air. Let me show you what you could do if you have a big pile of clean laundry now that you want to take care of now and put away. This is how I handle it. I make piles that I call people piles, so every individual person gets their own pile, and then I either will fold, depending on how much time I have, each pile individually, or I will call in that person that laundry belongs to, which is what I do most of the time now, and have them fold it. And then after it's all folded, I stack everything like items together like I do when I organize anything. So all shirts together, all pants together, all socks together. So then when we scoop it up and put it away, it's all organized and sorted and easier to put away. Here are a few practical tips that will hopefully make laundry a little less overwhelming. Smaller is better and less is more. In an ideal world, you would have one laundry basket for the entire family, and as everybody had dirty clothes, they would come to the laundry basket, put their dirty clothes inside that laundry basket, and the laundry would get done every single day. And as a mom and a wife, I know that is really impractical. So at the very most, try to have just one laundry basket per person, and try not to make those laundry baskets humongous, because the more laundry baskets you have and the bigger they are, the more laundry you're going to create for yourself. The same goes for washers and dryers. Really big, huge industrial size washers and dryers sometimes sound like a really great idea. Seems like they would make your life easier because you just throw tons of laundry in and do it all at once. but really it creates overwhelm. Doing one small load a day is really the most ideal way to keep it under control and to not overwhelm yourself. Next practical tip, use your laundry basket as your guide. When the laundry basket is overflowing and clothes are falling on the ground, you've waited way too long to do laundry. You want to do laundry when you see it hit the top or before. Now, if you've got laundry in the laundry basket, but there's not very much, it's just at the bottom, but you haven't done any laundry for that day, guess what? It's still time to wash clothes because I'll say it again, do one small load a day no matter what. The fastest and most efficient way to take care of clothes that are hung on hangers is to immediately hang them up. So keep a group of hangers right by your dryer. So as soon as you pull clothes out of the dryer, hang them up and then go put them in your closet, and then they are taken care of immediately. Now, I realize we probably have not gotten you to a place of blissful laundry zen yet, and that's okay. There are still some things that we need to talk about. We are going to discuss making laundry somewhat of a ritual and really getting into the rhythm of it. So we'll look at that in another lesson, and then just continue to follow the good habits that you've learned in this lesson, maybe break some old habits that you've had, and just get committed to it. And I promise you, you're going to get to a place of contentment with your laundry if you are really committed to get there.